Welcome to Stray Dog. Choose to be free. This is where you can discover the real you. You can speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. And for that reason, we are here in Mumbai today to find out what women think of contraceptives, condoms, and safe sex. Have you ever bought a condom?
No. नहीं अभी तक नहीं.
Never.
Never. Can I say no comment?
Yeah, I have. It was just a dare. So he challenged me that you can't buy a condom. So I bought it and I showed it to him and I threw it off.
Just went and asked for it. Yeah, he just gave me the weirdest look of his life, like, what's your age and stuff, and I was just like, just give it to me.
Do you think that as Indian women, our society just instills this kind of shyness in us?
Yeah, I definitely think so.
From childhood, it's been a taboo. Someone maybe seeing you buying a pack.
Probably culture, tradition, and the way we're brought up, and we're not really open to sex.
If a girl is going to buy a condom, people, even the shopkeeper will eye at you.
Our parents are conservative and they expect us to be, not like we are.
It's hard enough buying sanitary napkins.
I can definitely go and buy condoms right now. Like,
I know.
Like it's okay, it doesn't matter.
Do you only think that men should always be carrying protection, or is it equally our responsibility?
It's not only about the guy, it's about the girl too.
जरूरत पड़ेगी तो पक्का. If the guy's ready to go buy them, then why do you not?
Get me also like a Mars bar.
Yeah, like really.
In fact, it's more of our responsibility than the men. It's easier now to buy online. You know, you have these apps and all of that. They deliver it.
Once we get pregnant, it's us who are going to suffer.
So if you had to give advice to one young woman between choosing the morning after pill or condoms, what advice would you give?
Go for the condom.
I will suggest condoms. Morning after pills might have some reaction.
The condoms, obviously. I mean, apart from the fact that, you know, they prevent pregnancy, it is also, you know, like a prevention from STDs.
The pill isn't good for your reproductive system.
Condom. Because that is much safer. Prevention is always better than cure.
Right now, you're not thinking about it. Down the line, after 10 years, you want to have babies. Don't have pills.
Imagine a scenario where you wanted to have sex. You're in that moment, but you don't have any protection on you. What do you do?
Good question.
Just have sex, yeah.
मेरा husband होगा तो कर लूँगी.
I actually wouldn't do that. I would think twice.
You'd rather have your protection on.
I will stop myself first. Whosoever my partner, I would try to calm down the heat.
There are dumb girls out there who think that, you know, it's fine to not use one.
We'll wait for the delivery app to, you know, like deliver it half an hour and then
Wait for half an hour. Are you sure?
there is foreplay involved. It's
I would probably tell him to go buy one.
Do you think that having contraception is empowering us to have more sex?
It's so easily available. You have a choice and the power is in your hand. It keeps you safe.
But I don't think so many of the Indian women must be using it.
Because, you know, you have that thing because Indians, like, you can't have sex, obviously. Why would you? Because you're a girl, you're not supposed to. But people do. I mean, it's normal right now.
People are adapting more of Western culture, so they are becoming more broad-minded.
अभी भी है यहाँ पे जो लोग शाय फील करते हैं इस चीज़ के बारे में बात करने. They look around, कोई लड़की तो नहीं खड़ी है, कोई लेडी तो नहीं खड़ी है. कोड वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं. छतरी, अम्ब्रेला.
Have you ever heard of a situation, or has it happened to you or a couple of your friends, where you've been caught with condoms on you?
No.
21st birthdays are like, okay, here you go, you get a condom. Now it's your time to, you know, go and hook up.
I caught my brother. So he forgot his condom on the window. Like, I'll tell mama.
Actually बड़ा इशू तब हो जाता है जब किसी के पास हो और हमें ही पता चल जाए.
Once it happened with my friend, his mother was opening the bag and she found a condom. He was grounded for almost a week.
If you had to give advice to a young girl who was shy of buying condoms, what would you tell her?
I don't think she need to be shy about it at all.
Damn the world, yeah. Just do what you want to do.
मैं तो यही बोलूँगी कि instead of thinking about everyone, she should think about her and her spouse, whoever, like husband or boyfriend.
There's nothing to be shy about and you don't need to depend on anyone.
Go out, try once. You will try once. You will go twice, and उसके बाद में कुछ नहीं.
Do you know what a female condom is?
No.
No.
I don't know how it works, but I've heard about it.
Where would she put it?
Can you describe hypothetically what it might be?
Something like a tampon, I guess.
Some small plastic thing that you insert that kind of extends.
तो आप describe कैसे करोगे उसको? हंस के describe करेंगे.
Men condoms are easily available. People know about them. Like, so maybe more awareness about something like that. It being a little more cost effective.
Would you rather advise safe sex or no sex?
Safe sex. Why no sex?
Safe sex.
Okay, so for me, I would say no sex.
सेफ सेक्स
Safe sex.
Good choice.
तो मैं यही लास्ट में मैसेज दूंगी, जब हम इतना पढ़ते हैं, हम इतना लिखते हैं, तो हम लोग बोलते क्यों नहीं है फ्रीली हो.
Well, ordinarily, talking about sex and contraceptives and condoms would make people uncomfortable. But we were pleasantly surprised today when we spoke to the women of Mumbai because they came out all guns blazing. Do you have any similar experiences that you'd like to tell us about? Do not forget to comment down below. If you like this video, then like this video, share and subscribe to Stray Dog. And remember, the next time you need to buy a condom, walk up confidently to a chemist and do it, man. There's no shame.
When I say Mumbai, what is the one thing that comes in your mind straight direct जो hit करता है?
फूड ऑन टाइम क्राउडेड
Crowded. दिल्ली crowded नहीं है?
बेटर है यार.
Better है, okay.
How can you use the word जुगाड़ in a sentence?
I know a lot of Jagadu people.
पढ़ के हुआ नहीं है, एग्जाम का कुछ जुगाड़ लगा ले यार.
आज रात का जुगाड़ कर ले साहिल.
चलो